literally the glueless closure wig of my dreams. I'm in love. If Glueless Wigs is not coming like this or better, I don't know what to tell you. Just shut the business down. But Wiggins, y'all good. Y'all heard it from me. Mean a stamp of approval. Boop.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never like myself.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. Today's video, we are doing a quick and easy glueless install. Yes, I said quick and easy, honey, okay? Nothing to it, just a little bit of liquid mousse. And this beautiful unit we're wearing is from Wiggins Hair. I'm telling y'all, I literally just installed this wig on my lunch break. It quite literally took me under 10 minutes. If y'all want to get the details on this fabulous closure unit right here, make sure y'all keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials. See you on a few. So today we'll be working with Wiggins Hair. It's been a while since I worked with them. I'm excited to be back with y'all. Hey girl. I don't know if y'all remember, but Wiggins was one of the first companies that I collaborated with on this channel. I think it was like the second wig install video I dropped. This is not full circle because I haven't been a YouTuber for that long, but it's definitely bringing me back to when I first worked with them like 7 or 8 months ago. So, you know, it kind of is like a little, you know, reuniting moment. Reunited and it feels so good. No, I'm so excited because we're reunited. Hey, hey. So yeah, let's unbox the wig. Their packaging has definitely changed since I last worked with them. Like, got a cute little box now, and it's kind of giving like Halloween themed. Was this on purpose, y'all? Okay. We have the wig, and we have some goodies, of course. We have ourselves an edge brush, some lashes, some HD wig caps, definitely needed some more of these. An edge wrap, could always use another. And a brand new Wiggins Hair wig band. I actually did another one, and this was different from my last one. My last one was like black and yellow. This one's yellow and black, okay? Got a little accent moment going on. All right, and last but not least, we have the wig. I'm so excited to do another glueless install. They go so quick. They don't really need that much product. Like, it's a dream. So what we're working with today, y'all. Look at this. Pre-curled, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything. At this point, it might as well just be pre-installed. Y'all, these curls are actually so nice. Like, these are wand curls, okay? This is not no body wave. These are wand curls, honey. Look at that. Again, the lace is already pre-cut for me and the hairline is already pre-plucked. Of course, she comes with an adjustable wig band back here, like every glueless wig should. So all we have to do now is tint and then slap her on. So I'm just gonna tint this real quick. I'm using a little bit of cream foundation by Ruby Kisses. Y'all already know. I actually really needed a new glueless wig, so I'm really excited that they sent me this. I'm hoping this is like the glueless wig of my dreams. Now, she is nice and tinted, and we are ready to go. As y'all can see, I've already tinted my cap. Listen, y'all, I'm ready to get in and out, okay? I am currently on my lunch break at work, so we need to be done with this within the hour, honey, okay? I need to still be able to grab a bite to eat. I think I'll be able to accomplish that. These curls, y'all, these curls, these curls. Make sure this is nice and fitted on my head. We don't need her going nowhere, child. So now I'm just gonna clip the hair back real quick. And I'm gonna bring out some liquid mousse. This is what I always use for glueless installs. It's literally a godsend. I'm just gonna spray it directly on the lace. And then I'm just gonna press it in gently with my fingers. Once I've done that, I'm just gonna take a comb and I'm just gonna start to press the lace down. Now we're gonna let this dry and then we'll melt. My goal is literally for this video to be 5 minutes, so we will see if we achieve that. I'm just gonna start heating up my hot comb because we're gonna need her soon. Now we're gonna melt. Yes, ma'am. All right, so let's move on with the rest of the install. We're technically almost done. Really quickly, I'm gonna bring out a wax stick, wax the hairline, wax the part and the crown, then bring out my hot comb and get to work. All right, so now we are nice and hot combed. I'm going to bring out a brush and some cream foundation and finish tinting my lace. All right, we are looking blended, honey. Now I'm just going to bring out a smaller brush and clean up my part. Also, I think this wig would benefit from some layering, so y'all already know, bringing out an eyebrow razor. And boom, look at that. I just feel like every curled wig needs layers. It's just customary, you know? It just really brings it together. And yeah, that's it, we're done. That was literally it. A little tinting of the lace, a little liquid mousse, and that's all. Like, that's literally it. I'm telling y'all, that's all I did. So it's safe to say, Wiggins, yeah, y'all did it again. I'm in love. My dreams have come true. This is my new dream glueless wig. Let me get y'all the details so y'all too can install a glueless wig on y'all lunch break. All right, so this is Wiggins Wear and Go Glueless Body Wave Pre-Cut HD Lace Closure Human Hair Wig. I got it in a 9x5 closure, 24 inches with pre-cut lace. And the price for the exact unit that I have on is $321.00. It really is 0 cents. It don't make no sense how great this wig is. They got that part right. Y'all, like, peep. This is literally the glueless closure wig of my dreams. It just looks like I did a full-blown install and all I used was a little liquid mousse. This is how it's supposed to be. This is 2023. If glueless wigs is not coming like this or better, I don't know what to tell you. Just shut the business down. But Wiggins, y'all good. Y'all heard it from me. Mean a stamp of approval. Boop. So again, shout out to Wiggins for sending me this hair. Absolutely love it. Pleased to review it. I'm giving it 5 out of 5 stars. 10, 10, 10 across the board, honey. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a like and comment how you feel about this hair on me. Of course, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials as well. Thank y'all so much for watching. It's your girl, Mina. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.